Una too like to dey bully people for this social media. I don't really understand. How can I just leave my wife alone? I don't leave her alone.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Tuface. Tuface say una too dey like to dey bully people for this social media. He say make una remove mouth for wetin concern his wife. Muna leave his wife alone. My people, I was like, say all of us wey dey this social media we dey hungry for topic. So anything where your wife writes come out, people must see am. Na so e be, you understand? So now it make people they talk put because your wife writes and come out and they can't still unfollow you. So we must shook mouth, if it all say we too they like to they bully people for social media. If una hide on ourselves, we go see close our mouth. But if una bring on ourselves come out, we go talk like this KO family now. The matter na full everywhere. So everybody must talk put. Now so it be for this social media. You understand, my people? So okay, now your wife unfollow you and they can't see right time come out. It can't be like say you they use this your wife for this quietness because later now you'll be called a beg Tuface. No woman go there happy say a husband go see a baby mama and because he stay the house. My brother, make you reason and you go agree. You go agree that kind of thing. You not go agree. You understand? So what you they do to Annie? If they read the her, now it make she they write all those things come out. You understand? My brother, may you take am easy with Annie. Annie love you. If they pain her, she they hurt for his side body because anytime when you go American, go see this woman children. Now this problem they happen because she feel say if you go there, you supposed to stay hotel. Okay, now you go there, you can't stay the woman house. Now be say you see they sleep with her. You see they sleep with her because if you not they sleep with her again, how you go see your baby pikin, your mama, you can't stay the woman house. Let's assume say Annie fair born for her side now, my people. Then Annie want go see the children there with the man. Then she can't stay the man house. You not go find her like say she dey cheat on you. You must reason her like that. So now what it make Annie the verse? Anytime when you go see this Americana woman, you go come stay her house. So Annie feel say you they sleep with the woman. Yeah, because if you not they sleep with the woman, I not see reason wetin go make you go stay your baby mama house where you go see the children. No. Because where you can't sleep, it give you your own separate room. You stay the house because the woman not remarry again. She not get husband. So anytime when you go there, she they see you with the children. You they go there, go see the children. You can't stay the woman house. You now inside the woman room, you they sleep. So you must sleep with her. Until when she will come and say she get belly, now you can't agree say you sleep with her. Because she don't want to born that theory again. You understand, my people? So make I put the video where Tuface they talk. Make una see reason am. Whether what Tuface they do Annie, whether it good, more see leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Una too like to dey bully people for this social media. I don't really understand. How can I just leave my wife alone? I don't leave her alone.
My country people, according to Baba, he said, make una leave my wife alone. Yes, this warning is coming after what happened yesterday. A lot of things happened yesterday or a bit day before yesterday, okay guys? So, as we be say, somebody go come they drop quotes and you go come they wonder, say, is everything okay? Especially somebody that that is always in the news for something similar. For example, Baba traveled to the US to go be with his other kids from his baby mama payroll. So I guess that some people were looking out to see what would be Annie's reaction, and then she started feeding the information by dropping some quotes on her IG. Okay, let me just give you guys the genesis of the whole stuff. Though Annie has right now clarified the whole thing that she's not having any issue, so she's not having any issue with the husband, and the Tubaba himself has said, Nigerian people, leave my wife alone. So as she was dropping these quotes, you guys can see some of these quotes here. It says, family is who takes care of you. It doesn't matter if they are blood related or not. Know this and find peace. Family can low-key be throwing stones at you and still pretend that they are standing up for you. They can be deceptive in and also pretend to be protecting you. Don't lose guard. Some families, they will judge and condemn you. Okay, not only did she drop this quote, at the same time Pero was also updating on her story, on her Insta story of Tubaba with his kids. They were basically having fun. So Annie kept updating on her own Insta story at the same time, and these were some of the things that she was posted. A picture of this man that has this write-up that says, all a man really need to do, like he did when they first dated, is love her. Okay, so this whole thing, I think it made some people to start doing investigation on their own. So they went to Annie's page, tried to check if she's still following Tubaba, and they discovered that they couldn't find Tubaba under her following list. So the news broke out everywhere that she has unfollowed Tubaba because Tubaba is with the other kids and his baby mama Pero. Okay, and when that news got out, Pero herself reacted by putting on her Insta story with a background voice that says, somebody is mad at you right now because you chose peace over, blah blah blah. She was just saying that. Okay, so when all those things was going on, people actually bashed Annie. They were like, Annie, must you react anytime your husband travels to go see his kids? So the backlash was a lot on Annie. Okay, it was a lot to actually get anybody upset. So Annie got upset and she came out to say, Nigerian people, what is wrong with you people? Just Instagram glitch and you people are here talking in the nonsense. She said that she never unfollowed her husband, but it was a glitch that has been happening for some time, where even her own followers has been decreasing. She explained it and also mentioned the fact that even few weeks back that one of her friends, she discovered that she has unfollowed her. Not that she did, but she was seeing the follow button again, so she had to manually follow her again. So she said, anybody that put up that post that I'm having issues with my husband should pull it down. If not, that should be taking legal actions against those people. Okay, I just want to say, from what I understand, I think the timing of the whole situation is the problem here. So had it been maybe Tubaba wasn't even in the US with his other kids, nobody would have read meaning into the things that Annie was posting. Maybe we just think that it's one of those posts, right? But for the fact that Tubaba was there and Annie was dropping quotes and Pero was also reacting to Annie's quotes, so the timing was just signifying that a lot was going on. But anyway, it's a good thing. In fact, it's a relief, because I was feeling for Annie that yesterday. I said, oh my God,